Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Star Trek Voyager across the unknown game error. That is a fatal error, that is a low level fatal error and crash fix on PC. So without wasting any time, here follow the fixes. First of all, you can modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, then right click on Star Trek Voyager across the unknown game and then select properties. And in the launch options type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If that doesn't work, then again go to game properties and this time type -dx12 and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove the launch options and then follow the fixes. So run the game as an administrator or try to run the game in compatibility mode. To do so, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. First, right click on the st Voyager exe file and then select run as administrator and check if that helps or not. If not, then open the st Voyager folder, binaries folder, win64 folder. Then right click on this st Voyager win64 shipping exe file and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If that doesn't work, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From the drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 8, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, untick the run this program in compatibility mode 4 and tick mark disable full screen optimization, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. Also make sure that disable full screen optimization option is ticked marked and then hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then untick all this tick mark and then hit on apply, okay, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next fix is to verify the integrity of game files. So again right click on game and then select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. As an alternative solution, you can update your graphic card driver to the latest version and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Star Trek Voyager across the unknown game error, that is a low level fatal error and crash fix. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.